You've spent all weekend making your backyard look like a paradise, but for your dog, that paradise might actually be a graveyard. We often worry about what's in our kitchen cabinets, but some of the most popular landscaping plants in the world contain toxins that cause immediate liver failure, heart-stopping arrhythmias, or permanent kidney damage. Today, we are walking through the garden and exposing the 3 common plants that are most dangerous to your dog, and why even a single leaf can be a death sentence. Welcome back to Pause and Ponder. As we continue to build this channel, our goal is to keep your pack safe by looking at the science behind everyday risks. Dogs explore the world with their mouths, and to a bored puppy or a curious senior dog, a colorful flower is just another snack. Today, we'll break down the specific biological toxins in these plants. Before we dive into the specific plants, it's important to understand that a dog's digestive system processes these plant alkaloids very differently than ours. What might just be a stomach ache for us is a crisis for them. Number 1 is the most dangerous plant on this list, the sago palm. Often found in tropical landscaping or as popular indoor bonsai trees, every single part of this plant is highly toxic. The seeds, or nuts, contain the highest concentration of sikicin. Just 1 or 2 seeds can cause death in a small dog. Even the leaves and bark are saturated with this compound. When ingested, sikicin is converted in the gut into a potent carcinogen and neurotoxin. It causes massive acute hepatic necrosis. Essentially, the liver cells begin to die almost immediately upon processing. This isn't just a simple upset stomach. It's a systemic failure. Even with aggressive veterinary treatment, IV fluids, plasma transfusions, and vitamin K, the survival rate remains tragically low at around 50%. If you have one of these in your yard and you have a dog, the risk simply isn't worth it. The safest and most responsible move for your pack is to remove the plant entirely from their environment. Number 2, azaleas. These are staples in spring gardens across the country, known for their stunning blooms. But behind that beauty lies a chemical called ghrelin toxin. Ghrelin toxins interfere with the sodium channels in a dog's nerve and muscle cells. This effectively short-circuits the electrical signals that keep the heart beating in a regular rhythm. Initial symptoms often mimic neurological distress. You'll see drunkenness, stumbling, drooling, and extreme muscle weakness. As the heart rate drops, it leads to a coma or total cardiovascular collapse. Early detection is the only path to a positive outcome here. If you suspect your dog has nibbled on an azalea, every minute counts. This is a true cardiac emergency that requires immediate medical intervention. Number 3, tulips and lilies. While most people know that lilies are deadly to cats, many varieties, including the daylily and Easter lily, are profoundly toxic to dogs as well. In tulips, the highest concentration of toxins, known as tulipalin A and B, is found in the bulb. If your dog is a digger, they are at the highest risk. They aren't just eating a leaf, they're eating a concentrated dose. Ingesting the bulb causes intense tissue irritation in the mouth and esophagus. But once the toxins are absorbed, the damage escalates quickly into acute kidney failure. The kidneys simply stop filtering waste. Protecting our pack means being proactive. If you have diggers, consider raised beds or fencing off your bulb gardens. Prevention is always more effective and much less stressful than a trip to the ER. Your garden should be a sanctuary, not a source of danger. Before you plant your next flower bed, double-check that it's pet-friendly. There are so many beautiful, safe options available for us. Have you ever had a scare with a plant in your yard? Or do you have a safe garden recommendation for the pack? Let us know in the comments below. Sharing your story might just save another dog's life. If you want to keep your best friend safe and thriving, hit that subscribe button for Pause and Ponder. We'll see you in the next video. We're here for the science, the stories, and the pack.